Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take you through a day in the life of US Turf. We're at our first project in Scripps Ranch. We got a front yard, backyard with a small pony wall going in. So let's go take a look. Alright, so in this backyard we're putting in a medium to heavy foot traffic product with some zeolite for pet use. It's going to be very beautiful once we get that wall in. So enough here, let's head to the next project. Alright guys, we're here at project number 2. We got a small landscape area with another small putting green going in. This job is a little bit difficult. We got some stairs getting up there, about 25 steps. All the base material, all the removal came in by 5-gallon buckets. So let's go ahead and take a look. So you can see up here at this raised area, we got the putting green going on. If you come over here, you can see we got the landscape turf going down there. So we'll take a look down there next. All right, down here the guys are finishing up the shaping of the area before we bring the plate compactor in, get it nice and tight, and then we'll lay the grass in. Another play area, so it's a nice soft 2-inch long product. Next we're heading to El Cajon. We're gonna go take a look at a nice front yard, grass with some pavers. Alright guys, here we are at project number 3. We got a little paver walkway going in on both sides of the grass area, all grass through the center here, and then a little bit of keystone planter beds going in as well. Pavers are coming along really nicely. These guys are killing it today. A lot of curves here, so a lot of cuts, time consuming, but we're gonna finish up the pavers today. We're gonna do the grass tomorrow. So I guess we'll head to the next project, Santee, project number 4. All right, here we are. We just got to project number 4 in Santee. Just offloaded the base, about to start moving it all to the backyard. Got a little bit of grass, a little bit of pavers here, so let's go ahead and check that out.
Well, right now we're removing about 3 to 4 inches of dirt, removing all the existing sod and everything, and we're doing pavers off to the corner over there. And all this is about 2,200 square feet of removal. Awesome. Yeah.
All right, so the guys here are about halfway through the removal process. We're gonna let them get back to work. We're gonna head to our 5th project up in San Carlos. Here we are at project number 5. The base is in, shaped and compacted, about halfway done with the weed barrier. Then we're gonna get the grass in there, and we're heading to project number 6 up in San Marcos. Alright guys, we're at project number 6 in San Marcos. Really cool backyard with a nice little putting green going in right next to the pool. Some landscape grass in the background for the kids area. It's going to be an awesome space to live in. It's coming along nicely, and we'll see you at project number 7. All right, here we are at project number 7 in La Jolla. It's an interesting access, about 59 stairs coming down. Got to bring it all in by buckets again. The customer wanted to transform his children's play area, so we're getting all this old grass and dirt out of here. We're gonna put in a beautiful new synthetic grass area for him. All right, we're gonna head to number 8. Number 8 is finishing up today, so should be about done by the time we get there. Here we are at the 8th and final project for the day. We helped to finish off this beautiful backyard in La Jolla with a nice soccer play area for the kids. I'm just finishing up a couple of things here, a little power broom, and we'll be out of their hair and they can start enjoying their brand new synthetic grass. All right guys, thanks for following along today. Hope you enjoyed getting an inside look at a day in the life of US Turf and seeing some of our projects in process. As always, if you have any questions about turf or you'd like a free estimate, please feel free to give us a call at any time, and like and subscribe.